ndani ya hiyo ofisi, na tutakuja hapa kila siku kuona kwamba haki za
na yohekera gendrete bono tosogo ikase county ya Kiambu go ikabona abantu batatu ni go baine kiugusiri ogumabwabo ase county ya Kiambu ensemo ya Kitungulu maiga yenyomba yali kwa gacho ensemo yuko Nyara kogwa na kwabwatirania abantu batatu ase nyombe ye mo batatabungati nomongina amo na abana bayi babere barenga ase nyomba yabo bage nyomba yarenge ebebekaine ne nyomba yabo ko Nyara kogwa na ko Nyara kwabwatiranime na ko baita bonse batata bunige mebere yabega kirase nkendo kurwase enkeye muhumongina amo na abana bayi babere abantu bande batana noyo monigo bagendreto kurwandro mwabwa basenyagetari nene ya Kiambu chinga kicho mugavana we county ya Kiambu ni garo kurogo tindigo chia sabaga chi benyombeyo kimani wa mathangini gatebere buno botukiwe ime mboje wo kuro kumanya naze gikere nyombeyo ko Nyara kogwa na ko baita abantu batatu ekarakeria bande bagendrete kuligigwa gosembale baba kubwatiranigwa ase nyombeyo omutenani bwa gachi ase county ya Solomon Kitungu kurase county ya Kiambu ni gairo koboko engana yayo mugavana we county yubunamba chiko nekyo butukwe ngoko rubole gochia se bali batende to se contractor yenyombe yuko Nyara kobe kubyara oyoerere bona abantu gosiria obugima bwabo.
The requirement is that you must have the engineer, you must have the architects, and when it comes to a building like this which collapses, immediately, including that person, the contractor, they are supposed to go to the nearest police station and make a statement. And even all the officers that are concerned, that are in the region, both the National Construction Authority as well as the county government, they are all supposed to go and make statements at the police station. But what happens? A building like this collapses and you can't even see the contractor. He has completely gone underground.
Ilikuwa mwendo wa saa 12 hivi. Tulikuwa tu tunapita kwa barabara. Tukasikia sauti kubwa na vumbi. Kustukia tu ni nyumba ambayo ilikuwa inajengwa hivi juzi. Ndio ilienda ikaanguka.
What we are saying is simple, very simple, that people must start living up to the responsibilities that they are paid to stand up for in leadership and in ensuring that our people are safe. What we've witnessed here is disastrous. It can't be allowed to happen. That's what I'm saying with a straight face, that we cannot allow that. I've also had a conversation with a police commander here, and I've said it's also not business as usual for our police officers, because we've been requesting them to give us assistance, and I'm fully briefed about that sometimes when enforcement requires that they accompany our officers, sometimes there's laxity. We have also had a discussion with our in charge.